Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge vehicle. If you have a Dodge vehicle and it smells a little bit funny, sometimes the materials that they use, seats, plastic, all that stuff could have a bad smell, guys. We'll explain how to make your car smell like brand new again, what we're going to use, what two components you need to replace, and how we're going to do that in this video today, guys. We'll cover everything from start to finish. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you guys how to fix pretty much anything. Transmissions, body, engines, codes, fuses. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Also check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So in order to make your car, your Dodge smell good, first we need to change cabin air filters. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Next we'll continue with the next step. So guys, first step, what we need to do, we need to pop the hood open. So let me go ahead, open the hood, and we'll explain what else we need to do. Okay, let's see if we can, reach from here. Okay, perfect. Now, once you guys open your hood from there, okay, let's see where the thing is now. Perfect, just like that. What we need to do to locate the cabin air filter, you need to come, to that slot right here. So in order to replace it, guys, we need to open these two clips, push them back towards the front of the vehicle, and that cap will open. Then how you guys pull that thing out? What do we need to do? Here you can see the filter is inside, right? It's inside that cover right here. So that cover, you just pull in, it opens. Now it might be stuck here a little bit, so you might help it a little bit, guys, to stay open, and then you grab it, and you pull it. Now it's very limited room, guys. And let me see if I can open it all the way. So I can pull it this way out. Perfect, and it came out, guys. This is the old filter. Now this is, guys, a cheap filter. You don't want that kind of filter in your car. You want a carbon activated filter in most cases. Why? Because it's going to remove the gas smell when you drive in town behind other vehicles. It's going to purify your air even more. This is a heavy filter, super well built filter. Watch how thick it is. Look at that one. That one, I don't know about that thing, guys. I don't feel safe having that filter in my cabin. So let's go ahead and put it together now. So guys, now when you install the filter, it's very important to follow the directions of airflow. The arrow needs to point to the inside. So we're going to go ahead, come here in the slot. Very limited room, guys, here, very limited room, but eventually, it will get in here. Perfect, and all we have to do now, close the cap. Let me see if it got all the way in. Might need to position it a little bit on this side. And then we're practically, guys, in. All we have to do, let me inspect everything, and we're ready to close the cap here. And we're ready, to install that trim piece here. Perfect, just like that one. So next, guys, for the next scene, you need to get, guys, for the next step, you need to get your vehicle out of the garage. Do not do that in the garage, because we'll need to start the vehicle on with the AC on for 15 minutes. If you start it in the garage, you can die. So always do that outside. We'll get it outside and we'll continue with the next step. So for the next step, guys, we're going, to take the Dodge outside. So let's go ahead, start it, and then we're going to explain what else we need to do to make that thing smell amazing, because some of them, even though this one has only 40,000 miles, it smells a little bit funny, and I noticed that quite a few of the Dodges tend to do that. So what we are going to do that now, guys, we're going to remove, we have some sanitizer here, so let's go ahead and move that one out of the way. So always keep that away from your eyes as well. But what we need to do, let me get the camera quick. I want to get the camera, I want to show you here now. We need to turn ventilation on. So if we go to climate, let me see, if you go to climate, you need to make sure that the fan is on high as it can go. Turn it all the way on high. Now you want to do the you want to circulate it through all the possible air ducts. So we'll put the feet and the dash. And now guys, the next step will be to click the recirculation button and click, okay guys, I'll click the AC button as well. Okay, let me see if it's going to turn on now. Okay, perfect, AC is on as well. Now guys, what else we need to do now specifically, okay, to make that thing work? We need to close all doors, all windows, okay, like that. Now keep your eyes away and we're going to activate the trigger. Watch the thing now, okay? Ready, steady, okay, watch this thing now. And go. And now, okay, what we need to do guys, okay, we're going to close it and let it run for 15 minutes, then we'll continue. So guys, it's been about 15 minutes, that's the moment of the truth. What you need to do now next guys, you need to open the doors on your car, open the doors, turn the car off, okay, turn the car off all the way. And with both doors open, you need to let it sit for about 10-15 minutes and your car practically will smell amazing from that point on guys. We usually reuse that about once a year and everything smells amazing. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.